Okay, here's something cool that I read in a science magazine recently. There's a study that started in the 80s and 90s where they tracked a group of people's health by collecting their blood work every so often. 26 of those people were later diagnosed with cancer. So the scientists went back to look at the blood work just 6 months before to see if they could see any early signs. And they did. They found these early genetic signatures of cancer. But it didn't stop there. Then they went back and looked 3 years before and used whole genome sequencing to look for other clues. It's basically a technique where they scan a person's DNA and they look for any tiny changes that might be related to something else that they're looking at. And even at that early stage, 3 years before the diagnosis, there were genetic markers that other tests would have completely missed. It was a small study, but it's just stuck with me because it really shows the promise of what the future might look like for cancer diagnosis and what a big difference it will make to be able to catch very early signs of changes years in advance.